Surprise, motherfucker!
You fucking bitch! Ah! I gotta go. I did not see that coming at all.
How'd that look? Oh,
You're just fucking gone. On the count of 3, we're gonna fight, okay?
3, 2, 1.
Go! Fuck! Oh god! I'm not hitting anyone! Oh fuck! Get the monkey! Get the monkey! Get the monkey! Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit! Oh god, come at me bro, come at me! Come at me! Oh god, oh shit, stop pushing me! Stop pushing me! No! Alright, so who hasn't seen the glitch here yet?
Anyway, I'm gonna say me, because I don't really know what we're doing, but okay.
Okay, mini lad, go in first person mode.
Yeah.
Look back at us first.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see yourself? Probably not,
really.
right? Because the seat's in the way. Alright, so what you want to do is look forward, so you see in front of us.
Yeah.
Alright, are you looking forward?
Yeah.
Alright. So now what you want to do is look back at us.
What? Wait! Hey, what the hell did you guys just do? Y'all just disappeared. I thought I was like tripping balls or some shit. How did you guys do that? Seriously.
We just jumped out. As soon as you looked forward, we jumped out.
You jumped out? I'm done. Oh yeah. Oh, no, I'm watching porn. Don't come in. Oh god. I'm watching porn. No! No!